Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the night mode on the breaking news application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then tap on this icon down below, which is the last one, called More. Now tap on the first option, Settings. Scroll down till you find the last option saying Night Mode. So by turning on this application, turning on this function, you're going to enable this night mode if you are at night or you want to save battery. So click on this button in the right side of the screen, and then as you can see, this function has been turned on. If you change your mind, you can undo this function by clicking on the same button. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.